learning. According to Gales, learning is the modification of behavior through experience and training. Clifford defined learning as learning is any change in behavior resulting from behavior. Charles Skinner defined learning is the process of progressive behavior adaptations. Characteristics of learning. Learning is growth of an individual. Learning is adjustment to environment. Learning is an intelligent behavior. Learning is an active process. Learning is the product of interaction of individual to the environment. Learning is both individual and social. Learning is purposeful and goal-oriented. Learning is organizing one's own experience. All living things learn. It is not limited to human being alone. True learning is affecting the conduct of the learner. Learning is a universal process. Learning is change in behavior that is permanent to some extent. Learning is a process, it is not a product. Learning is transferable from one situation to another. Learning is total reaction of an individual to the total situation. Let us have a discussion about types of learning. Learning is of the following types. First one, skill learning. Right from the birth, the child acquires skills. His bodily organs learn to handle the things. He moves, his legs begins to crawl. In course of time, he learns other motor skills like walking, speaking, drawing, writing, reading, playing music, cycling and swimming, etc. Perceptual learning. The child gets sensations through his organs, sense, and he attaches meaning to each sensation. The earlier sensation of an infant are undifferentiated to the extent that he cannot differentiate between one object to the another. In course of time, he recognizes specific objects and perceives these separately. Conceptual learning. Perceptual learning is followed by conceptual learning. A concept is a general idea, universal in character. A child sees a particular cow and forms some ideas of a cow with some particular characteristics. Here, the identification is on the basis of one particular cow. Associative learning. Conceptual learning is helped by associative learning. In amazing wealth of the knowledge, new concepts are tagged with the past concepts through association and such knowledge. Appreciational learning. While conceptual learning is on affective side, a child from the very beginning utilizes his inborn traits of aesthetic sensibility and acquires concepts colored by appreciation. Attitudinal learning. Attitudes are generalized dispositions for certain particular concepts, things, persons or activities. A child develops an attitude of affection towards his mother, an attitude of reverence towards the teacher, an attitude of belongingness towards the family. His attitude towards play is most favorable. All this he learns and adapts gradually. In this video, we have discussed about learning definition and characteristics and types of learning.